Have you ever said just one word to your child and immediately felt regret? Not shouting, not hitting, just one word. And yet you noticed something change. Your child went quiet, or angry, or stopped trying. Most parents don't realize this, but it's often not the punishment that hurts a child most. It's the words. Because words don't disappear, they stay. They echo in a child's mind long after the moment is over. Today, I want to talk about how just one word, said repeatedly, can slowly spoil a child's confidence, behavior, and emotional safety. Not because parents are bad, but because most of us were never taught better. If you're a loving parent who sometimes feels frustrated, overwhelmed, or exhausted, this video is for you. 1. Why words matter more than we think. Children don't hear words the way adults do. When we say something in frustration, we think it's temporary. But children don't filter words, they absorb them. A child doesn't think, "Mom is tired." They think, "Something is wrong with me." Words become inner voices, and that inner voice shapes confidence, behavior, emotional regulation, self-worth. You can give a child the best food, clothes, toys, and education, but if the words they hear make them feel small, they will grow up feeling small. 2. The one word that spoils a child. Let's talk about the word. It's short, it's common, and most parents use it without realizing the damage. The word is bad. As in, "You are bad. Why are you so bad? Such a bad child." Here's the problem. When we say bad behavior, that's okay. But when we say "you are bad," the child doesn't hear behavior, they hear identity. A child thinks, "If I am bad, then I can't be good." So what happens next? They stop trying. Or they start acting exactly how they're labeled, because children live up or down to the words they hear most. 3. Other words that quietly damage children. It's not just bad. There are other everyday words that slowly spoil a child's emotional health. 1. Lazy. When you say, "You're lazy," a child hears, "Effort doesn't matter." Instead of learning motivation, they learn shame. 2. Crybaby. When a child cries and hears, "Stop being a crybaby," they learn, "My feelings are wrong." So they stop expressing emotions or they explode later. 3. Stupid, dumb. Even said jokingly, children don't understand jokes about intelligence. They only hear, "I'm not smart." And once a child believes that, learning becomes scary. 4. Why can't you be like? Comparison is poison. It teaches a child, "I am never enough." 4. What actually spoils a child? Let's be very clear. Children are not spoiled by love. They are spoiled by labels. A spoiled child is not one who hears too much kindness, but one who hears criticism without guidance, labels without support, control without connection. When a child feels unsafe emotionally, their behavior becomes unsafe too. Tantrums, backtalk, defiance, shutdown. These are not signs of a bad child. They are signs of a child asking, "Do you still love me when I mess up?" 5. What to say instead. Here's the good news. You don't need perfect words. You just need different words. Instead of, "You are bad," say, "That behavior is not okay." Instead of, "What's wrong with you?" say, "Something is bothering you." Instead of, "Stop crying," say, "I see you're upset, I'm here." Instead of, "You never listen," say, "Let's try again together." These small changes protect a child's identity while still correcting behavior. 6. If you've already said the word. If you're thinking, "I've already said these words," please hear this. Repair matters more than perfection. You can always go back and say, "I shouldn't have said that. I was frustrated. I love you." That one sentence can heal more than you realize. Children don't need flawless parents, they need accountable ones. Just remember this: your child will forget most rules, they will forget most punishments, but they will never forget how your words made them feel about themselves. So choose words that correct behavior without damaging identity, because one word can spoil a child, but one sentence can also save them. You are not raising a child, you are shaping a future adult, and your words are the blueprint.